He had only 47 rupees in his pocket, a torn school bag on his back, and one dream his dying mother made him promise. But that night, standing on the railway platform at 2 a.m., he made a choice that would either destroy him or build him forever. If you've ever felt small, broken, or invisible, please don't skip this story. Because by the end of these videos, something inside you will change. In a forgotten village called Birpur, where the roads were made of dust and the houses were made of patience, lived a 12-year-old boy named Arav. Arav was thin like a sugarcane stick, with eyes too big for his face. Eyes that always looked like they were searching for something far away. His father, Shankar, was a rickshaw puller. His hands were rough like tree bark. His back bent like a question mark. Every morning before sunrise, Shankar would whisper into Arav's ear, "Beta, पढ़ लेना, मेरे जैसा मत बनना, तू हवाई जहाज में उड़ेगा एक दिन." In English it means, "Son, study well. Don't become like me. One day, you will fly in aeroplanes." And Arav's mother Sushila, she was the softest part of his world. She had a smile that could heal wounds, and a cough that was slowly killing her. But nobody talked about the cough. In poor homes, nobody talks about the things that hurt the most. Arav had only one dream: to become a doctor. Not because doctors earn money, but because once, when his mother had fainted, a young doctor in the city had saved her, smiled at Arav and said, "Beta, एक दिन तुम भी white coat पहनोगे." In English, "Son, one day you will also wear a white coat." That sentence became Arav's entire universe. He studied under street lamps because there was no electricity at home. He wrote on old newspapers because notebooks were luxury. He skipped lunch at school and gave his only roti to the stray dog at the gate because he believed, जो दूसरों को खिलाता है, भगवान उसे कभी भूखा नहीं रखता. In English, one who feeds others, God never lets them stay hungry. His teacher, Master Deepak sir, would sometimes wipe his glasses and whisper, "ये लड़का एक दिन कुछ बड़ा करेगा, बहुत बड़ा." In English, this boy will do something big one day, very big. Then came the monsoon of his 14th birthday. His mother's cough became blood. The village doctor folded his hands and said, "Shankar bhai, इसे सिटी ले जाओ, ऑपरेशन करवाना पड़ेगा, 2 लाख रुपए लगेंगे." In English, take her to the city. She needs an operation. It will cost 2 lakh rupees. 2 lakh rupees for a family that didn't even have 200? Shankar sold his rickshaw. The neighbors gave whatever they could. Sushila sold her last gold earring, the one she had saved for Arav's wedding. Still, they were short by 40,000. That night, Arav saw his father crying for the first time. A grown man sitting on the floor, hugging his knees, sobbing like a child. And Arav understood something no 14-year-old should ever have to understand. That sometimes love is not enough. Sometimes you need money to keep the people you love alive. In Arav's old steel box, under his stone school books, there was an envelope. Inside that envelope was 40,000 rupees. Money he had saved for 5 years. Money from selling milk before school, from cleaning a shop on weekends, from every festival when relatives gave him 10, 20, 50 rupees. This was his medical college fund, his ticket out of poverty, his mother's biggest pride. Mera beta doctor banega. Arav sat with that envelope in his hands for 1 whole hour, tears falling silently on the paper notes. He thought of his white coat dream. He thought of his mother's cough. And then he thought of one sentence Master Deepak sir had once told him. "Beta, किताबें तो फिर मिल जाती हैं, माँ नहीं मिलती. Books can be found again, son, but a mother cannot." At 2 a.m., Arav walked to the railway platform. He gave the envelope to his father and said only one sentence, "पापा, माँ को बचा लो. मेरा डॉक्टर बनना रुक सकता है, माँ नहीं." It means, "Papa, save mother. My becoming a doctor can wait. Mother cannot." The operation was successful. Sushila lived. But the school fees, well, were gone. The dream was paused. Arav dropped out in class 10. He started working at a small tea stall, washing 200 cups a day. His small hands cracked and bleeding from hot water. His classmates went to the city for higher studies. They wore clean uniforms. They carried new bags. They walked past the tea stall and pretended not to see him. One of them, his old best friend Rohit, once stopped and laughed. "Arav, डॉक्टर बनने वाला था ना तू? अब तो चाय बनाता है. Weren't you going to become a doctor? Now you just make tea." Arav smiled. He didn't reply. But that night, he cried into his pillow so quietly that even the silence couldn't hear him. Still, every single night, after closing the tea stall at 11 p.m., Arav would sit under the same street lamp and study. Old books, borrowed books, torn books, for 6 years, without telling anyone, without complaining, without stopping. 6 years passed. Arav was now 20, still at the tea stall, still studying every night. The village had forgotten his dream. His mother had stopped talking about the white coat. Even his father had quietly accepted. शायद हमारी किस्मत में बस यही था. Meaning maybe this is all that was written in our destiny. But Arav had been preparing, quietly, fiercely, for India's toughest medical entrance exam, NEET. The day the results came out, the whole village was at a wedding. Arav was alone at the tea stall, washing cups. His old phone buzzed. He opened the message. His hand started shaking. The cup fell from his hand and broke into 100 pieces. All India rank 247. Selected, Government Medical College, Delhi. Full scholarship. Arav fell on his knees right there, on the muddy floor of the tea stall, and screamed, not with joy, but with 6 years of pain finally finding a way out of his chest. 2 years later, on the day Arav wore his white coat for the first time, he didn't take a selfie. He didn't post on Instagram. He took a 14-hour train back to Birpur. He walked into his small mud house. His mother, older, weaker, but alive, was sitting on the same wooden charpai. Arav knelt down. He placed his head on her lap, and softly he said, "माँ, देखो, तुम्हारा बेटा डॉक्टर बन गया." Meaning mother, look, your son became a doctor. Sushila touched his white coat with trembling fingers, like she was touching a dream. Tears rolled down her wrinkled face. She whispered, "बेटा, तूने अपना सपना बेचा था मुझे बचाने के लिए. आज भगवान ने तुझे दुगना लौट दिया." Meaning, son, you sold your dream to save me. Today God has returned it to you doubled. Outside, his father stood quietly at the door, crying without making a sound. The same street lamp where Arav once studied was still flickering. The stray puppy he once fed was now an old dog, wagging its tail at the gate. And somewhere up there, the universe smiled, because it had finally repaid a kind boy everything he had ever given away. My friend, listen to me carefully. Life will test you. It will take away your dreams. It will make you wash cups when your friends are wearing uniforms. It will make you cry into pillows that nobody hears. But remember this, every sacrifice made with love is a seed. And seeds don't die when you bury them. They grow.
The world doesn't reward the loudest. It rewards the patient. The world doesn't reward the luckiest. It rewards the kindest. The world doesn't reward those who never fall. It rewards those who keep getting up silently. So if today you feel broken, forgotten, or left behind, please don't quit. Your white coat is coming. Your moment is coming. Just keep showing up. Keep being kind. Keep believing. Because one day, just like Arav, you will kneel down. Place your head on the lap of the person you love most and whisper, "Dekho, maine kar diya." Mean, look, I did it. Hi, my beautiful soul. I'm Tara. And you're watching Fluent English with Tara, the only channel where stories don't just teach you English, they teach you how to live. If Arav's story touched even one corner of your heart, please hit that subscribe button right now. It's free and it tells me to keep making stories like this for you. Tap the I button on the top right. I've added another emotional story you'll absolutely love. In the description below, I added the other video link, and do check our playlists in given I button. And in the comments, write just one word, Arav. If you promise yourself today that no matter how hard life gets, you will never stop believing in your dream. आप पढ़ते रहो, बढ़ते रहो. I'll see you in the next story.